Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 2A, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have a portable hotspot visible, so just keep swiping till you see it. There we go. It is actually named Hotspot, but once you see this toggle you can hold it, and this will then quickly take you to the settings. Now in here you will most likely want to start off by selecting the hotspot password, which is randomly generated. Without navigating here you have no way of knowing what it is actually set to. So anyway, click on it, and then I recommend removing it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Now that can be letters or numbers, doesn't really matter, or obviously both as well. From there click on OK to save that change. Now we also have a couple of additional settings right here, but if you don't know what they do, I recommend keeping them as they are right now. This will ensure that your hotspot will function basically most of the time without any kind of problems. So just to kind of explain, as an example, if you were to change the AP band to 5 GHz, it might be better, but then not every device would be able to utilize your hotspot that you have created. So older devices that don't use 5 GHz Wi-Fi will simply not see your hotspot at all. And obviously if you have never known what this option does, you wouldn't probably know why you can't see your hotspot at all when you have it enabled. So that's why I recommend keeping it as it is. This will ensure that your hotspot functions with basically every kind of device that has any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity. Now last option in here at the bottom is turn off hotspot automatically, which I do recommend keeping on, as this will ensure that your hotspot gets automatically turned off once you're done using it. And the reason I consider this to be an important thing to keep enabled is because typically, at least for me, I'm a smooth brain, so once I'm done using my hotspot, I will forget about it, and then hotspot is just going to run indefinitely in the background. And hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so without me needing it, there's no reason for it to run and just use up more of my battery. So obviously that just makes it annoying. You need to charge your device more frequently. Well, with this option being enabled, so it turns off your hotspot automatically once you're done with it, you kind of nivellate that problem. Anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.